Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Now today I'm going to be painting this Pringle can to turn it into a Christmas gift box. It's a really great way to, for example, give things like theatre tickets or vouchers, you know, add some sweets, put a bit of tissue paper in so that you can't see in from the top, and you have an adorable upcycled gift box that you can use every year. So come on, let's have a look and see how I painted him. So what you'll need is your empty crisp box. Do keep the lid because this is going to be a gift box. Some acrylic paints, I think they're the best for this kind of project, and obviously paint and brushes. Now I spent the first 10 minutes sketching out an idea for my Nutcracker, and I'm going to loosely follow this and probably change some things as I go along. But this is what's going to help me, and I'm going to speed up the rest of the video because literally this is just a painting project, and it's just fun to watch and see how it goes. So yeah, watch me paint and decorate. Again one more time. I think he looks absolutely fabulous. Now I want to say two things about this actually. One is about perfection. I get lots of comments about people saying, oh, I'm not as good as you, I'm not as neat, yours is so much better. There's lots of flaws in my Nutcracker. You know, I've smudged some paint. There we go. I don't have straight lines. There you go, there's some smudged paint. Thing is, when you look at it as an overall effect, it will still look good. So really don't worry about imperfections, embrace them. This is why handmade things are so nice. Just have a go and do your best, and I know your relatives will love it. The other thing to note is, because I don't like fake crafts, I noticed that when I started taking my lid on and off, it actually made the top little layer of the top bit peel. So what I did was I just used a Sharpie, I don't know if you can see, and coloured that in with a Sharpie to hide the silver. Or if you're designing yours from scratch, maybe leave a silver rim and make that part of your design. So just be realistic about how this will look once you start using it. Another thing I thought of that you could do is you could have the opening at the bottom so that you paint your Nutcracker this way round. So yeah, it's totally up to you, but you know, just be aware that when you do take the lid on and off, there will be a little bit of scuffing. So yeah, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.